Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert video in LibreOffice Impress. If you want to do it, you need to go to the left upper corner and you need to click on Insert tab. After that, you need to go to Audio or Video settings, and now this window should be successfully displayed here. You need to select the folder where you have your files saved. And of course, we need video with AVI format. It is very important. If you don't have your file with AVI format, I recommend you to convert your video to this one format. And after that, if your file is selected, you need to click Open button and your video should be successfully imported to your project. Of course, we need to change dimensions of this video and we need to move this video inside the slide. After that, we can start the slideshow, so I go to slideshow settings and I set here first one option, start from first slide. How you see, my video has been successfully displayed here, so it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.